Blood circulation. Blood circulation. We can start our study of blood circulation with the heart, which pumps oxygen-rich blood into arteries and receives carbon dioxide-rich blood from the veins. Arteries carry blood away from the heart to the capillaries. Veins carry blood from the capillaries to the heart. In this diagram, these capillaries represent a capillary bed, which is generally much more expansive than seen here. Blood circulation. Blood circulation follows two circuits through the body. 1. The pulmonary circuit is concerned with gas exchange between blood and lungs. 2. The systemic circuit carries oxygenated blood to the tissues. In the pulmonary circuit shown in the diagram here, the capillary bed represents the capillaries in the lungs where oxygen is picked up from the blood. That's this capillary bed right here. In the systemic circuit, this capillary bed shown here represents all capillaries in the body where oxygen is dropped off to the cells. Note, cells in the lungs need oxygen too, so those cells are also represented in this capillary bed of the systemic circuit. Blood circulation. The pulmonary circuit carries carbon dioxide-rich blood, which is oxygen-poor blood, from one's right side of the heart to the lungs. It then accepts oxygen-rich blood from the lungs into the left side of the heart. Gas exchange takes place in the alveoli of the lungs and the capillaries that surround the lung. Alveoli are small clusters of lung epithelial cells that form a cluster around a lung capillary. This alveoli shown here is very thin, so thin that it allows carbon dioxide to diffuse out of the blood into the alveoli, and then oxygen, which is in the alveoli, to diffuse into the blood. Blood circulation. As blood enters the lung capillaries, blood concentration of carbon dioxide is higher than the alveoli cells' carbon dioxide concentration. So the carbon dioxide passively diffuses from capillaries into the alveoli and the lung airways. The blood concentration of oxygen is lower than the alveoli cells' oxygen concentration, so oxygen passively diffuses from the lung airways into the oxygen-poor blood. As blood exits the lung capillaries, it is oxygenated and returns to the heart. Blood circulation. The systemic circuit carries oxygen-rich blood from the left side of the heart to the rest of the body, and returns oxygen-poor blood to the right side of the heart. Between each artery and vein is a capillary network. The liver, hypothalamus, and kidney have more extensive capillary networks. Capillary blood is mixed. On the arterial side, it tends to have more oxygen, and on the venous side, it tends to have more carbon dioxide.